So we already talked a little bit about this. How do we share it, right? And so there's a lot of ways that we can do it. Really, for us, it's about what we're advising our clients is provide us a form or put it on the commercial invoice. Those are the two cleanest ways to do it. And that's really for us what we're looking for. Before actually I get into the form itself, I should also mention that we've had a question often, and I don't think I've seen it come in here, is can we electronically sign the form? And the answer is absolutely you can. So it doesn't have to be an original or wet signature. It can be it can be an electronic signature on the form itself.